Hello boys and girls. How are you? I hope you are doing well and ready to study. Please prepare your pens and notebooks. Today's theme is a beach story. In today's lesson, we will learn some new words, watch the video, learn how to use degrees of ability, and do the tasks. Please watch the video and be ready to do the task.
Look, Nanny, we're sailing.
Ooh, well done!
Look at me, I'm surfing.
Ooh!
Look, Nanny, I'm water skiing.
Ooh!
Hey, what's Charlie doing? He's jumping up and down. Oh, look! Charlie's diving! Oh no!
Charlie!
Help! Be careful, Charlie. We're getting wet.
Let's do true or false task. Lily is sailing. Yes, it is true. Liam is surfing. Is it true or false? It is false. Liam is sailing. Daisy is diving. What do you think? Let's check. It is false. Daisy is surfing. Jake is water skiing. True or false? It is true. Look at the screen. Read and match. Let's read the sentences first. A. Liam and Lily are sailing. B. They are getting wet. C. Jake is water skiing. And D. Charlie is jumping up and down. I'll give you time. Please match. Have you done? Then let's check. A. Is it picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? That is 2. B. That is picture 3. What about C? That is picture 1. And the last sentence. And the last sentence is picture number 4. You did a great job. Now, boys and girls, listen and remember the words.
Have a picnic. Have a picnic. Play the violin. Play the violin. Do karate. Do karate. Hop. Hop. Skateboard. Skateboard. Jog. Jog. Skip. Skip.
Read, match, and repeat. 1. Skateboard. That is picture F. Now it is your turn to do. I'll give you short time. Please do it. Let's check your answers. 2. Do karate. Picture C. 3. Jog. E. 4. Hop. G. 5. Skip. A. 6. Have a picnic. B. And the last one. 7. Play the violin. That is picture D. Very nice. Look at the screen. We form adverbs from adjectives. Quick, quickly. Easy, easily. Good, well. Fast, fast. For example, I can skip really well. Look at me. What can Hans Sultan do? Carefully. He can skateboard very carefully. Play the violin and beautifully. He can play the violin beautifully. Do karate well. He can do karate very well. Skip quickly. He can skip quickly. Look at the picture. Make a sentence. He can ride a bike very fast. It was a great job. I'm very proud of you. In today's lesson, we have learned some new words, watched the video, learned how to use degrees of ability, and done the tasks. Boys and girls, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day today.